फायनली कितल्या दिसांनीच आयज गोमान सगळ्यांक तर येयले आनी तुज्या मतदारसंघान की राजू बाब काँग्रेसान जॉयन जालो. कित्याक ओली काँग्रेस जेन्ना इतल्यो पार्टयो आसा आनी काँग्रेसूच कित्याक इतले सोशल सर्वीस काम बा करून.
See, Denzel, Congress has been there in Goa, especially very dominant in the south, and especially it has been very dominant in my constituency right now, in Nuve constituency. Now, last time we had an interview about 3 months back, and I told you exactly, and we are coming to that, right?
Yeah.
I said I will ask, I will go around, and I will tell you, and that is why today I took my biggest decision of my life. Now, how far I go on to it, and how it will take me in the path of politics, I will say. But once a decision is done, and I took it on the criteria of the people's demand. Now, if you have a polling of 80 to 90% of Congress, okay, and then generally everybody knows, and we've been Congress because it's been there right from my parents' time, right from the time I was voting, right from the time I don't know. But yes, Congress is very secular. Today, whatever the achievements have been done, I don't know, which I've seen in my lifetime, they've been all done from the Congress party. At least was submitted. Today, even if they were not done, but something wrong is happening, it is not the Congress which is doing it. And today, in the youth's mind, Congress is a much better party today, as it is come out with new people. Everything has been reformed. There are new people coming in. It's going to reform properly. It is going to strengthen up properly, and I think so. Girish Chodankar is doing a wonderful job with Digambar Kamath and the others all around. Even Luizine also, he's getting up. Last time also, you have seen we came up with 17 seats, and yes, things went wrong. I understand, but things don't go wrong all the time, right? So we are trying to get back. What else to do otherwise?
You said from the last 3 months before I interview घेतलेली, you it took time for you लोकांक विचारपाक हें विचारपाक. इज इट ओन्ली स्पेशल हो तूं लोकांच्या मोद्यांक गेलो तुमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन सगळ्यांक विचारलें खंयच्या हितून वचून आनी इज इट दोज सपोर्टर्स टोल्ड यू कितें एक्झॅक्टली?
So what I did is, normally I was never in the intention of contesting elections. I told you in the first interview itself, but it came to me, I don't know, as a surprise or as I don't know what. As you know, we had started with one small office in my village basically because there was things which are happening. When I set up the panchayat in when Mr. Babashan was in the Congress, I came up. I had set up the panchayat. My panchayat was running for more than a year, and then after he went, he formed his BJP panchayat, which is going on right now. Now, then later on, I thought about it that I would start these small offices basically to find out what is the need of the people, because panchayats today are not so equipped and not so done. You know, they're not properly organized. Now we come up with all the other schemes. So this way, what happened is, I came up with more and more. The demand started increasing because I used to get people from coming in Nagwa from Nuve, from Majorda, from Uttarda, you know. And then it so happened, then boys were sitting at home, and then one boy came for a tournament, and then 10 boys came, and then it was such a beautiful thing was happening. At least they came out. Ami muta youth amso pide dala mon, but youth help. They have to come up with their energy. So this way, whenever I went to more than 40 places. We had a small skit plays, and we showed what life is about and what other things about. And there people said, Baba, tu boro ulayta, Baba, tu boro kota. You know, पूर्ण काँग्रेस टिकेट करा, काँग्रेस टिकेट कर.
लोकांनी सांगलें
लोकांनी सांगलें काँग्रेस टिकेट हाड, काँग्रेसा बरोबर आसा, सगळीं वोट काड काँग्रेसाची. म्हणून चोयता you know, I was never in चोया म्हणलें म्हाजी. This I am not doing for political gain or whatever. This is something which I wanted to do because theatris घराको बसलोले. So you know, everything was shut. This is the first lockdown. And then we revived it, everything improved, and you know, things went very bad, and people were, you know, what to say? I don't have words, but more than 350 people died in this constituency. Yeah.
ड्यू टू कोविड?
Yes. Okay, they were my friends, there were some priests, there were nuns who died, and it went on, and there was not one person came up and said, okay, I'm sorry this thing happened under my command. You know, even when something happens, somebody has to take on honestly for these things. Yeah, come on. I am telling you, I am saying sorry to all the people who have died, who have lost their parents, who have lost their mother. They have become orphans today. People don't have a source of income. Kaina the kode. This like it has just gone bad to worse. And that is why I said at least because I had some good people in the Congress, which were always my friends. And that is how I used to support Congress. I was never a member, if you remember. That is why I got inducted today. And everybody was surprised basically. अरे तो Congress member असो ना, Congress member के आसपास है. As long as you are there, full-hearted, supporting somebody who's doing the right thing, you don't have to be a member. Yes, but today it is demanding so that because this thing is come, oh, we have to make members and this. It is there. Okay, fine. This is a protocol. Today I'll be following that protocol. But I feel so a true-hearted person will do things for you, will they be there for you. It is a friendship, it is a bond which is created with the voter or anybody else. That bond, if it's not there, then the money bond comes in, which all these guys have been doing earlier.
Okay. So tell me one thing now. See, when you have already spoken, you said you met a lot of people and all.
Yeah.
Was it easy for people to tell you, I used to join जालो, काल 2-3 दीस पयले लोकांक ते पत्ता मेवला आसतलो, घरा खूंय भोंवला. Easy जालें or difficult जालें लोकांक पळय हांव काँग्रेसान वयता.
See, today we had more than 700-800 crowd today. You must have seen it. And it was a pure organic crowd. And if I'm telling you, you go about asking anybody whether normally it happens. I've seen a lot of elections and things like that. Nothing is organic. I wanted actually people to be happy and come. So I went about inviting small groups and other things, how I'm communicating with them. I'm there on social media, on everyday basis. And during the COVID also, a lot of people called me. I was not well, but my guys were there who did a lot of help, do Google Pay. We didn't have to visit them, people had required a little bit. So I did whatever I could for my funding, So that connection was already done, which I didn't want to put it on social media. And it is not right also to do that. Then all this came by and now I saw today, you must have seen I got a bit emotional.
Correct.
And if things are organic, you get emotional. If things are organic, you get emotional. If they were paid off for, you don't get emotional. Basically, I never thought also that people are liking me so much on this pedestal, on this platform. People will, came willingly, and they told me, Raju, we are there for you. We will support you no matter what. You are on the right track. We are trusting you. We will be there for you, no matter what. Because we see something. You have tracked down certain issues which we feel you will rectify.
Your emotion, your good rapport, your closeness to your voters and all, you feel Raju can change these votes if you are given the ticket?
Ticket, I will not go on that issue of ticket because it's a protocol. I've joined when I talk about ticket, Congress is my family.
पण पार्टी एन कोण जॉइन जाता त्यांना तिकेटीच चिंतूनच जॉइन जाता.
See, ticket चितून join झाला. I will tell you the truth. Yes, हांव ticket चितूनच join झाला.
Correct.
But it was not a compulsion for me to join Congress just for the ticket.
Okay.
I joined Congress because I have lots and lots of friends of Congress. I have top senior leaders who I have been working with. I have worked with Mr. Sardina. I have worked with Mr. Luzin Falero. I have worked with Mr. Girish Cholankar. I have worked with Sankalp, all these, Varan and Jana, and so many people. I last time also, but that intention is not the ticket. That is Congress protocol.
Okay.
I will the next month, that is what I declared today, from the 1st of September, we will be going door to door, rectifying what is incomplete. As I said earlier, I want to see with my eyes. I want to feel, there. I
The
want
pulse
to feel
of vote,
the
locals.
pulse. Yeah, the pulse basically. When today I really mentioned that people in this constituency still have mud houses, mud walls. They still have coconut leaf roofing. And they put plastic during the rains. They don't have a proper flooring, and because in the interiors they don't have street lights, they don't have a road, and in 2021, Denzel, are we there? I feel this is 1980. Things, the government has so much of schemes. We have to be told, they have to be told, they have to be assisted. Now, if they don't know this, from Khadi Udyog to so many things, if there are jobs coming in the government, there is industrialization happening, there are 5 stars over here, there is everything. And this happened during the Congress time. And the Congress time, I think so, a lot of people had jobs, lot of employment was there. आता कौन मिनिस्टर्स आता ते गेले लोक येत आहे. आज साउथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आतो, which people are working from Nuvai constituency? This is the closest for them to travel. How many people are working there?
No, but tomorrow, say suppose tomorrow if you are given the ticket, if you are elected, you feel that within that 5 years you can do all those things.
See,
Mantapaita had those dreams. It is not so possible.
See, dreams, no. Possible, see, there is nothing called impossible also.
I am possible.
Yeah. No. There is nothing called impossible also. Possible is only when it is done. And you think it for yourself. It is not to boast about that this is there and that is there. When you actually know how to tackle this issue. And this comes with the experience that I have in my life. I have lived in Maharashtra, I have lived in Karnataka, I have seen things, I have worked with the government, and I have done things, I have done things. Now today you tell me, I opened up a farmer's office. That is my third office which opened, because farmers were totally neglected, exploited. Okay, they came to a certain level where you take your farm, you give it to a guy who plows the field with a tractor, gives him everything, and that guy also takes subsidy from the government, keeps it for him in the society, and the farmer also pays for it. So he is into double profit. Now you tell me, a farmer, how can he be in profit when he is paying both ways? Today the government is giving so much of subsidy that he has to be in profit. We have to bring them up, because these are the people, like I always say, someday you may require a doctor, a judge or a police, but on a everyday basis you require a farmer. So we start up with a farmer, we end with a farmer.
One of the important factor that you will have to answer to everybody is that in your constituency, पहिलो आम्ही वोट मारलो तो आमदार उडकी मारलो आणि दुसरे कडेन गेलो. तुझे कितें गॅरंटी हा?
5 बोट एक बस असते.
असना जाय, पण लोक वाजयल्या, लोक म्हणटा कितें
I told
5
also
बोटां
today,
दाखयता तूं 10 बोटां तुजी नान जाता.
You must have heard this. I've said also.
How would you
today.
tackle people? Your voters I am talking about, not me.
See, people know, People know. I don't want to say anything against Babashan because he is not in the picture. He is not in the picture anymore. Say, I'm a congressman and I have to choose my words, but which will not, affect them, because it's a big family. It is a big reputed family. If these people, if only one person from my constituency, I will talk about only my constituency from today. I have botheration for entire Goa and the people, but my constituency is, if one person has jumped from one place to another, I don't think so in the history of Nuvai constituency something like that has happened.
Correct.
Nothing has happened. So why me? Why would I? Because we have honor in us. I'm honorer. Today I proudly took on the Congress flag with me. Why? Because I'm proud of it. I would otherwise not do it. If I was not proud of Congress, I would never do it.
पण तुका लोक विचारिताले तू what will be your answer?
Answer, तुक दिसता,
तितलेंच.
तुक दिसता.
Typical Goan style. तुक दिसता विश्वास ना म्हणजे.
No, why would I? Tuk dista, you see my track record. What is the jumping part of it? What is the thing? I'm literate. Okay, I have worked with my own hands. This is my own thing set up. I have started from scratch in my life. I built up today. Today for these youth and everything, I can tell them something. So they believe me, and I am proving to them that the last 1.5 years which I've been working, I didn't come now. I have not come like any of the whatever who have come now and 1 or 2 months and going around. That is not what I did. I built up my repo. People know me by my qualities today. People don't know me as just a Raju Kabral. Raju Kabral can do anything in 2 months, flash out something.
People have faith in you.
Yes, and I have done things for them, which I don't want to tell, but they know.
One thing. सकाळी त्याने एक स्टेटमेंट केलो की आपण 2 खुरीस घेऊन आमदार घेवपाक रेडी आसा. ते खुरीस म्हणल्यार हाव वूड यू टॅकल दॅट? बिकॉज जेन्ना काँग्रेस म्हणटा ह्या दिसांनी कितलेच सगळे किचावट जालेली आसा.
instead of anybody saying anything, whatever it is, we have given ourselves 3 months time. In 3 months time, I will do my data and everything, and I will submit it to Congress, or Congress will correct the data. But I said Huris. See, Huris is, we are Catholics. So in respect to that, Jezun, एक Huris, अपना हांदार मन, ओइल्लो, because he wanted to show the people that he is ready to suffer for them. Correct? So I am not just, I am just a small human being.
But you are ready to suffer because of others.
Not because of others. Yes, I have to, because you see this, what is happening.
तेंगे मा पेज तुझ्या माथ्यार घेऊन वचपा फुडें रेडी
See, the major issues today are, that is, if you go around in the constituency, you will know. It is just these contracts have been passed. See, every MLA gets funds to make roads, to put some street lights and put some this, and clean some lake or do anything. Make a road which has never been done. That is called development. Make a road. Make a road, even if there are 3 houses over there, because today also,
तशें जावंक ना हिंगा
वो कितें जाला? That is called put a child on a education infrastructure. Put a youth who is educated on a working structure. Provide him with job. Provide him with those facilities which other governments give in India. I'm not talking about abroad. Provide him that. So that literacy should be in any candidate.
Okay.
That literacy of doing things, that literacy of that rapport should be in you, of doing things. Now, yes, you said that I'm telling you completely. So, Huris is that, the sacrifice.
Nothing else.
No. Alex Sikora has done it for 20 years. So, I feel if he is not able to do it, yes, I'm ready to go the course.
You are telling him?
Yeah.
Or you are asking him to give it to me?
I'm not telling him. I'm not even asking him. I'm just saying that if you can take off the cross, I am ready to take off the cross.
You offer it to me म्हणटा तो. So म्हणजे हे clear झाला.
I will never ask him to offer it to me, but I will take up the cross.
What about the second cross, Mickey?
Mickey, because certainly I will tell you, Mickey has done things. He's done things. He's gone out of his way, and the only development which happened over here was Mickey. As to my knowledge, it is not that I don't know him. I know him also because he was MLA over here, and then he lost those elections after that to Baba Shah. But there were some other issues of his due to that what he lost. But yes, he's done, and there were things which are incomplete. Like there are so many things which he had planned. I know that he used to, whenever he used to tell me, "Arey," because that time I was a pure businessman. I used to travel up and down the state and come for I used to travel up. So I used to meet him. He used to tell me, "Nah, Kurpa de Raju, take Kurpa de." He had a vision.
So there are no differences between you, Alex, and Mickey.
What is the difference? I am Jose Raju Cabral. He's Mickey
That is not
Pacheco,
that.
and that is
Who
Alex
is
Sikora.
हांदार पेज घेऊन भोंवता पण म्हणजे फाल्यां समज तो तिगूय जाण आसा टिकेट तर एकल्याकूच मेळटली तेन्ना कशें सो हाऊ that understanding will come between you all?
The understanding is basically today the party has to become so strong in its constituency.
And decide.
And the membership, party protocol is memberships.
So membership कोण चोड करता ताका टिकेट दिवप?
Probably today I've been given the thing of creating membership, creating your thing. Today you must have seen I already have a bank of more than 3,000 to 4,000 memberships with me.
Okay.
Which have not been inducted. So this is what I came up with, and I will be getting them as members, because if we start from the base, and this is not I'm going to make some 50-year-old member, because what will you do? I'm going to start from the 18 to those members, because further on coming up, they will know, okay, we are a Congress member. For anything which is going wrong, I will need their thing to help me or sort me out.
What will be the target of your membership?
Let's see. At the moment I have a big follow, and I think so I should be successful in getting more and more. I will work on it. It is not something which I can really tell you the numbers, and but I do have. See, I'm connected with more than 6,000 to 8,000 people on a in the way I went around.
So roughly you can make 6,000 to 8,000 membership, and that will easily you can claim a ticket.
No, this what you're talking about, ticket. See, Congress has a protocol 2 or 3 months before the things will happen or whatever. That is okay, but they are going on the winnability part.
Yeah.
They are going on the loyalty part. They're going on the strength part.
Okay.
This is very true, and Congress has always been very pro in their things.
Mickey has done good thing. Now since Mickey Congress and joined Jalo, there have been speculations also that Mickey can either choose Benawali.
Yeah.
If Mickey goes in Benawali, will Raju help Mickey in Benawali so that he can get in Nuve?
See, Benawali, I do have some few friends. Okay, we during the coal agitation we had made many friends, and I think lot there are, you know, and I am a seafarer also. I sailed before for 7-8 years, and I have some people over there who I know seafarers, and I'm connected with them. So Benawali, I heard, I am not sure. But there are other rumors also which I've heard. He may sit in Patorda, he may sit in Kortale, he may sit here, he may sit. I am here.
You are here.
See, Mickey.
But you are there before to help Mickey in other
yeah,
constituencies.
I've heard one of Mickey's interviews that I think you only took,
Yeah.
and he told you I've got the full of Goa to
40
to
constituencies.
choose. Yeah. And I think so. Mickey is capable of choosing any other place.
Okay.
He's got the capability, and I think so. Congress, he has got him. He must have said something to them or told them, and they must have shown some quality of leadership in him that he, you know, they brought him on board.
But Raju is in Nuve.
I'm here. Where would I go now?
So you don't have any other constituency like Mickey says in 40 or this that.
No, see, I've been working only in this constituency. I've been going all over Goa for agitation, but I've been working very intensely with this constituency because I feel तुझ्या आंगण लिप ना जाल्यार बायले दुसऱ्याचे आंगण कितको करतलो तूं तो तुझे आंगण पयलीं क्लीन कर न्हू मागीर दुसऱ्याचे करया आमी कितें करपा जाय तें.
Have you, one more thing is that have you also spoken to Alex Sikir, because he has been also aspiring for this ticket. Though whatever you may say, tu kitay sangla jai. But even then, because finally a ticket can be given to only one.
See, Alex was there for 20 years, and no doubt about it. And in that 20 years, the first time he was there, and we helped him because he was very young, and we were also very young, and things like that. And he came. The second time, I think he came unopposed. The third time, he also won. And the fourth time, he lost against Mickey. It's a tough fight. And Mickey had to work more than 3-4 years on it. At least 3 years Mickey worked on it. Because he was a giant, you know. And he was completely in the Congress books and things, and you know. But that is,
You are confident you will be able to convince Alex Sikir also,
convince Alex Sikir,
saying that you are younger
today-
than both of them.
Today Raya used to be a constituency before. It was a part. So he could elect. He could vote.
With
Today-
that age.
No, he could vote for this constituency. Today he cannot vote also for this constituency. It's nothing bad, but I'm just saying, I feel that, you know, Congress will take a call on a lot of things. Even if they give him, or give me, or give anybody, they will take a proper call. I think so. They're quite experienced in this thing. They're not a fresh party. They've been conducting elections and been winning elections, and you know they have a
one more
protocol.
thing
I
is-
respect that.
The thing is that कोणी इलेक्शनाक बसूंक जाय लोकांच्या मतीन एक कितें आसा करतलो कितें हेजे कितें प्लॅन्स आसतली तुज्या सायडीच्यान तर इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट लागींच आसा तूं सोशल एक्टिविजमान खूब आसा यू हॅव फार्मर्स क्लब यू हॅव बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ सोशल एक्टिविजम फॉर अ लॉंग टायम यू मस्ट हॅव बीन थिंकिंग समथींग फॉर दिस Nuve constituencies which you would like to do. Any some points that you would like to tell or sangpak
See, there are lots of points, and this interview will never get over. But the major issues that we today face is unemployment. During pandemic, lot of people, even they came down from the ship. Even the seafarers, they're unemployed today. I feel for them. They used to work on the passenger liner, they used to work on the cargo, they used to work, you know, on the rigs and all. Everybody is down. And their companies also are not taking a call because they're in very heavy losses. They are stuck here. Okay. Then the people who are educated over here don't have jobs. You know, I have more than 4,000 applications. Yes. Of jobs.
Okay.
Okay. I can go on record. This is 4,000 unemployed youth of Nuve constituency who don't have a job.
And what you have done with that?
We are getting onto it. We are sorting out from here to there. See what is happening. This
Personally, you're doing it all this.
yeah. We fill up forms, we take interviews, we do this, then we select them, then we tell them what you like to work for. Because what they used to do is, now what is happening in the, you mentioned about Verna Industrial Estate. This protocol was taken in the sense the industry was basically an electronic city.
Correct.
Okay, it turned into industrial estate later on. It was
Electronic
called
city.
electronic city. Now elect is on that, so that we could, our children or the next youth in those days could have done. I am telling you, if given an opportunity, I would never go on the ship. I would be an IT engineer today, because there was no IT company over there. Today, pharma is there. Okay, fine. Today, other manufacturing company, fine, not a problem. Okay, IT to industrial estate, fine, done. The government says that 60% to 80% job employment should be given to Goans. Yes, there is employment. You understood? A graduate gets employment of packing boxes. Our girls from our village go for only packing. There are few chosen ones who have excelled from the initial stages who are now and better. But today, if you go, there are contractors from Orissa. There are contractors from Karnataka, from Maharashtra. They have been given permissions to contractors, to
Goans.
contract locals, okay, where they remain the bosses. They can throw us out anytime. They can bring us anytime. They can give us whatever salary. There is nothing over there. There is no unions. There is nothing which can be controlled. And the companies are they're doing whatever they can. I'm telling you, I can give you names. IFB.
So what you have done in that?
IFB is, and what is happening is the HRs. I'm telling you personally, IFB has never done justice to the villages of Nagwa or Verna. They have HRs who are working in the company, and they are putting their own businesses. They are buying their own buses, they are buying their own taxis, and they're rigging into everything, and nobody even gets this. Plus, even the employment part is given to some relation of theirs.
So what is your plan?
My plan is suspense. I'll show you. I'll call you that day.
Okay, one more thing is that now, since you are there, Alexis Demiki, there are also names of Lyndon Montero, who is the OSD to Power Minister Nilesh Cabral, and the present MLA is there.
Correct.
So what do you have to say on that?
Lyndon Montero is a very good friend of mine. I know him.
So everybody is a good friend of yours.
He's from here only. Why would I not know him?
No, politics and friends.
If he's a friend, he's a friend. I always follow him. I always spoke to him, and he's been there. I think so. He was OSD to Miki Pacheco.
Yeah.
Then he was OSD to lot of.
Now he's to SD to Cabral.
Yeah, Nilesh Cabral.
Yeah.
So
Not Raju Cabral.
Actually, my name is not Raju. It is Jose Cabral.
Okay.
My pet name is Raju.
So then.
But anyway, so I saw it that day. They had put it in, I said, Prime or something. That he was, Congress, see, today, I think so, Rahulji has clearly told, as to my knowledge, I'm just 1 day old and I cannot so much know about Congress, I'm telling you, because I've never dealt with the internal office part. So I'm just a member today, and maybe we'll see. But Rahulji today has told to strengthen the party with the youth and the young and things like that. So if he wants to come in. It will be great. Let myself
If
and
Lyndon wants to come in, you will be great. You will be more happy.
No, myself and Lyndon will bring out Mosi. He is the OSD too, and he will know internally the government, whatever the government is doing. He may guide the people. Let's employ people. Let's do things. Let's get into industry. He will know the roots.
So you will welcome Lyndon with a open hand.
I'm tomorrow, if he's getting inducting, I will be the first person who will be standing over there.
One more thing is that everything is well said and done. What you have to say about the local MLA? Whether it may be development, whether it may be doing other works, whether it may be the all-round development of the constituency. Because he also says, I have confidence that I would win the next upcoming assembly elections. पुणेके सर्जन तुमचा president म्हणटा या 10 defectoरांक कशें करून भायर उडोवंकूच जाय. तू कितें म्हणटा?
How I stand by my president today. See, this is what I am loyal to. This is what I am. एक पाड उतर ते उतर. it doesn't go.
सका भायर डोकूच जावं.
Yes, no matter what. If we have to combine, we'll combine. If we have to do what not, we have to do that. We will throw him because it is not only some small error which has happened. It is not an error. People have suffered under this. People have suffered, and today we cannot waste another 5 years. Of anything. We cannot. Our children cannot waste 5 years. I cannot waste another 5 years waiting for the next term to come. And I'm telling you, we will go the lengths to do this.
Okay.
The lengths, because see, Congress is a very strong party today, at least in the south and at least in Nuve. We have now Elvis Gomes at our side. We have big guys at our side today, and more intellectuals are coming. Proper good intellectuals are coming. We will go door to door. We will see that Congress comes in Nuve, and this is what I am saying today. 101% Congress will come today.
What would be your message to your voters since you have joined Congress now? वोटरांक कितें सांगूंक सोदता लास्ट?
I'll do this with Konkani because, for
Of course.
better to everybody. सगल्यांक आज काळजान सावन आभारी जे लोक येयल्लो हांव काँग्रेस जॉयन जाता म्हणून खुशालकायेन म्हाका साथ दिवपाक, म्हाका तेंको दिवपाक. आनी जे लोकांनी येवंक ना तेणी म्हाका जायत्यो मेसेजीस पायल्यो, फेसबुकाचेर घातल्यो, वॉट्सॅपाचेर घातल्यो, अशें तशें घातले जायते. कित्याक लोकांक आसता काम आसता आनी थोडेच भुरगे येयल्ले मागीर तेणी आनी कितें प्रॉब्लम जाले. सो देवर लॉट ऑफ पीपल सगळे येवपा आसलेले, पूण कोण ते येयले नाय ते ताका देखून म्हाका काळजांतल्यान तुमकां थँक्यू, कित्याक तुमी सगळ्यांनी म्हाका गूड विशीस धाडल्या. हांव सदां म्हजे सोशल मिडियाचेर चोयता, सगळे म्हाका गूड गो ऑन राजू, कीप इट अप राजू, do the best you can Raju, we are there with you Raju, तशें म्हणटा. And that gives me a boost on an everyday. सद्दां म्हाका ते एक बुस्टर मेळत आसता आनी तशेंच भाशेन तुमी म्हाका बुस्टर दीत रावतले. हांव तुमकां हें प्रॉमीस करता, आमी काँग्रेस परतून केशेच भाशेन हे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी हाडया आनी परतून तुमकां जाय ते भाशेन तुमचे कारणां आमी येतले. हांव येतलो पर्सनली, एक घरान भोंवतलो, तुमचे प्रॉब्लम अंडरस्टँड जातलो. आनी तेन्ना इतले वर्सां जालना तेंच हांव दाखोवन दितलो आनी तेजेरूय कोट्टलें कितें तें कात तें. हांव जायत्यो वस्तू करपाक जाता भावमड्यांदू, तुमच्या भुरग्यां पासत, तुमच्या घोराब्या पासत जायतें आसा, आजून पासून करपा जाता. फकत तेका मुखार काडपाक एक धारूण मनीस जायो. आनी म्हाका दिसता हांव पयलो तितलो म्हाका खबर आसना, पूण आतां मुखाडे प्रोसिजर आसा, म्हाका कळ्ळां, हांव शिकला आनी शिकत रावतलो तुमच्या पासत. पूण हें आमी एकवट रावन एकठांय आमची स्ट्रेंथ बाराबोक जोडून आमी हें करूंक शकता.